everybody, this is me. I just wanted to create this video because I have a Toyota Avalon that makes this weird noise, and it sounds like it's coming from the dashboard, either from the driver's side or the passenger side, and sometimes it sounds like it's coming from the center, but it only happens at like about 60 to 80 miles an hour, and I'm not sure what it is, and I was wondering if maybe like I could put this out there, maybe somebody could kind of might know what that sound is coming from and what's causing it. That would be helpful. So I'm going to try to recreate the noise, and maybe somebody will be able to figure out what that noise is coming from. So let's try to, and this happens around like 78 miles an hour. So I'm not sure if you can hear that, but that it kind of happened, and it kind of goes off and on. And once I drop it down below 60, it doesn't do that, but between 60 and 80 it does, and it sounds like it's coming from the center, but I'm not sure what it may be. If anybody knows what it is, kind of guide me in the right direction, and maybe put it in the comments below, and that'd be helpful. You guys have a good day.